Hey loves, welcome to my channel. I am Ugbo Oyibo. Today we start our very first lesson in Igbo language. I hope you are ready. Okay, let's get right into it. Number one, when you want to introduce yourself in Igbo, you will say Ahamobo. Ahamobo. Ahambo. That is, my name is Ahambo. My name is Ahambo. Then me, my name is Ugbo Oyibo. So I'll say Ahambo Ugbo Oyibo. Ahambo Ugbo Oyibo. If your name is Tracy, you will say Ahambo Tracy. Ahambo Tracy. If your name is Felicia, you say Ahambo Felicia. Ahambo Felicia. If your name is Michael, you say Ahambo Michael. Ahambo Michael. All right. Then, when you want to say good morning in Igbo language, you will say Otutu Oma. Otutu Oma. That is good morning. Otutu Oma, good morning. So, when you want to ask someone, how are you? How are you? That means when you meet someone, you want to ask how the person is doing. How are you? In Igbo language, you say Kedu ka imere. Kedu ka imere. That means how are you? Kedu ka imere. Kedu ka imere. How are you? And to answer the question, how are you? You say I'm fine. I'm fine means, in Igbo language, means Adim mma. Adim mma. Adim mma. Adim mma. A here, the A is written like A. A means I or me. Adim mma. I am fine. If you're not fine, you answer Adiyim mma. Adiyim mma. That means I am not fine, even though I believe you're fine. Adiyim mma. I am not fine. If you're fine, you say Adim mma. Adim mma. I am fine. I am not fine again means Adiyim mma. Adiyim mma. All right, dear. When you want to ask someone, where do you live? Where do you live? You say in Igbo language, Ebe kibi. Or you say, Kedu ebe ibi. Kedu ebe ibi. Kedu ebe ibi. Where do you live? Or where do you stay? Where do you stay? Where do you live? Kedu ebe ibi. That means, where do you stay or where do you live? Kedu ebe ibi. And to answer the question, you say, I live in Nigeria. In Igbo language, it is Ebim na Nigeria. Ebim na Nigeria. That means I live in Nigeria. If you live in America, you say Ebim na America. Ebim na America. If you live in London, you say Ebim na London. So the important thing is you start with Ebim na. That means I live in, then the country follows. Ebim na Nigeria. Me, I say Nigeria, so I'll answer Ebim na Nigeria. If you live in America, you say Ebim na America. So Ebim na comes before the country. Ebim na Nigeria. Ebim na France. Ebim na America. Ebim na Togo. Ebim comes before the country. All right, let's do a recap of what we've learned. Otutu Oma, good morning. Repeat it. Otutu Oma, good morning. Otutu Oma. Aham bụ Ugbo Oyibo. Aham bụ Ugbo Oyibo. My name is Ugbo Oyibo. Aham bụ Ugbo Oyibo. My name is Ugbo Oyibo. So when you want to say your name, you say Ahambo. Then your name follows. Ahambo Tracy. aha m bụ Michael, aha m bụ Felicia, aha m bụ Daniel, aha m bụ, then your name, aha m bụ Daniel, aha m bụ Tracy, aha m bụ Blessing. Good. When you want to ask, how are you? You say, kedu ka ị mere? 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 That means if you want to be fast. Kedu ka ị mere? Kedu ka ị mere? Kedu ka ị mere? How are you? Kedu ka ị mere? To answer the question, you say, adị m mma. I am fine. Adị m mma. If I'm not fine, I will say, adịghị m mma. Adịghị m mma. I am not fine. Good. Another question. Where do you live? Where do you live? Ebe ka ị bi? Or you say, kedu ebe ị bi? You see, I have said two different ways of asking this question. Where do you live? Ebe ka ị bi? Or you say, kedu ebe ị bi? Where do you live? To answer the question, you say, ebi m na Nigeria. You start with ebi m na. Then the country or the state follows. Ebi m na Nigeria. Ebi m na America. You say ebi m na. Then the country or your state follows depending on where you stay or which state you stay or which country you stay. Ebi m na Nigeria. Ebi m na America. Ebi m na France. That means I live in France. Ebi m na America. I live in America. Ebi m na Nigeria. I live in Nigeria. So, ebi m na is I live in. Ebi m na, I live in. Ebi m na Nigeria. I live in Nigeria. Alright, loves, we've come to the end of today's lesson. If you love this video, give it a big thumbs up and comment down below. Also, remember to subscribe to my channel so we can spread the love. Alright, see you in lesson 2.